Good evening. It is March 9th, and it is 12 after 6 p.m., and this is a meeting of the Law and Ordinance Committee. My name is Jeff Schilling, and to my right is Mrs. Marshall, and to my left is Mr. Twist. And we are here tonight to provide a recommendation to Council regarding approving the DORA application for the I'm having trouble reading this thing. For the expansion of the it doesn't work. Temporary activation beginning boundary to be an event and by event basis requiring the permission of the property owner and council, and provide recommendations related to various concerts.
Okay, so there's a couple of things going on here, and they're all, of course, related to the DORA. We are hitting our 5th anniversary, and after 5 years, the council needs to reevaluate. You know, is it going well? Then do you want to continue? So that's part of this. Captain Mumford is in the audience if you'd like to hear from the police department, but we've not had any issues with the DORA. It's gone very smoothly. It's been very well received by visitors as well as the merchants that are out there in the area. So part of what we are asking for as a recommendation from the committee is that you recommend that the council confirm the continued operation of the DORA. We are also recommending that we file a new application for the DORA, everything staying the same with the exception of the boundaries of the temporary activation boundaries.
So the standard DORA boundaries will remain the same, but we have these temporary that we can add or subtract as needed. And
there would be 3 areas that would be added, that are recommended to be added to that temporary activation part. Just to be crystal clear, the council would have to authorize when those temporary areas are activated. As part of our application, as part of our approval, if you will, by the council, includes property owner permission before the council would authorize that for just very specific events, very specific reasons, very specific times. The 3 additional areas would be related to 2 upcoming events. Number 1, the concert at the stadium, and that the areas that would be added would be the stadium, as well as the to keep it contiguous would also include the senior center. The school is in agreement with that, as well as the park board related to the senior citizen center. So that is related to the June 6th event. The other one is that after July 4th, we anticipate that Prouty Plaza will not be available for concerts, given the beginning of the streetscape project. So every Friday in July, the 4 Fridays in July, Hainer Cultural Center sponsors the Fridays on Prouty concerts. Again, after July 4th, and we have the opportunity to relocate those temporarily onto Short Street and project onto the county court and the plaza complex. The stage would be on Short Street, across the street from the courthouse, and again facing towards the courthouse itself, and so we would want the DORA to include that area as well, and the county is agreeable and amenable to that. Also, as part of this recommendation, we do want to activate the temporary DORA for the concert on June 6th, as well as the 4 Fridays in July, as I just mentioned. And what else? And then any agreements that would need to be or would be negotiated on the use of the stadium, just to clarify what the parameters are, as well as at the courthouse, at the county plaza. We are asking for authorization to sign those, subject, of course, to Grant, Mr. Kerber's legal review. We are not asking for emergency legislation.
Thank you. Questions?
I don't have any questions.
No questions.
Self-explanatory.
When we amend the DORA agreement, I know when we started out, we were supposed to have these alcohol-sensitive cups and things like that, which quickly went by the wayside. Are those still in the original agreement, or is that?
They
in the
still have to
original
be
agreement?
identified. We still, yeah, we don't have special cups, but they do, they do.
Well, we did,
provide
the,
stickers.
originally, we were talking about those, I'm not, I say alcohol sensitive, I think they may be sensitive to cold and heat, and they would change color.
Mm-hmm.
And that was to be the DORA cups, and I think that was in the original agreement. Are we taking that out?
We took that out.
Council took that out?
Several years ago now. I mean, that was, yeah.
Council took that out?
Yeah, because council revisited it. We had the.
We sent the stickers.
And so we've got the
voted that
stickers now, so
stickers.
they're
I
identified.
don't remember that, but that's
Yeah.
okay. Okay, I just checked. I don't remember that, but it's been
Yeah,
a while.
it's been 3 or 4 years ago.
I know. Don't remember it all.
You're forgiven.
Just the bad things,
Okay.
Yeah, we voted.
Okay, any other discussion? No? Anything out in the, yes, Ms. Hickman, please.
Hi, Madison Hickman, third board. Is there need to be any of this, or is there any thought to doing Dora to Erlinger for the truck yard event? With that being semi-close to downtown, I feel like it would be.
That is well outside the boundaries
Okay.
of the DORA, but we will have the temporary liquor permit, which has some requirements in addition to the DORA, but basically it's just got to be bounded so that we can control ingress and
Sure.
egress, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Any other council persons would like to make questions or comments? Is anybody in the audience would like to participate tonight? Okay, seeing none, what's our preferences here?
Move forward.
Move forward.
Move forward. I think we can move forward, and we do not need emergency on this. Is that
We
correct?
do not.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.
Okay, I think we're okay for adjourned.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay, we're adjourned.